see clear through the haze. Old reflections fade away, nothing left for me to save. I felt the pull, the quiet call, but I outgrew that world of walls. The choice to stay, I made it now. No turning back, no asking how. The choice to stay through ash and gray. Not a prison, but where I lay. But where I lay. Familiar pain, tried to hold like a story already told. Every step it pulled me near, but I don't belong in what I fear. No more ghosts in my head, no more worlds already dead. The choice to stay, I cut the thread, left behind the words unsaid. The choice to stay, no more delay. I face the dark and choose to stay. Truth was never there. Maybe life is choosing where. The choice to stay, it's mine to